solve this question. Ram and Shyam started from a point A at 8 am and drove on their cars with uniform speeds towards a point B. Sum of speeds of Ram and Shyam is 100 km per hour. At the same time, Mohan also started from B and drove towards A with uniform speed of 40 km per hour. So, this is point A and this is point B. Ram and Shyam starting from this point A and going towards point B, and Mohan started from this point B and going towards point A. Now it is given that sum of speeds of Ram and Shyam, speed of Ram plus speed of Shyam, this sum is given as 100 km per hour. Also the speed of Mohan is given as 40 km per hour. Right? Now it is given that Mohan and Shyam met at 1 pm. Ram and Shyam started at 8 am. It is given that they started their journey at 8 am. And Mohan and Shyam met at 1 pm. And this meeting was 1 hour later than the meeting between Ram and Mohan. So first Mohan and Ram, because Mohan and Shyam met at 1 pm and it was 1 hour later. So it means Mohan and Ram met at 12 pm. So let's assume that Mohan and Ram, this is the, so at 12 pm Ram is there and Mohan is going towards this point. So this is the first meeting point. This is meeting of Mohan and Ram, and it happens at 12 pm, right? So it happens at 12 pm. Now 1 hour later, Mohan walks till this point and he met Shyam at this point. This is second meeting. This was the first meeting. This is second meeting of Mohan, and this is meeting of Mohan and Shyam. This is meeting of Mohan and Shyam, and it happens at 1 pm. It happens at 1 pm. Okay. So in this time, in this 1 hour, Ram would have moved some distance from this point. So So in this 1 hour, Ram has moved till this point. At 1 pm, Ram is here. At 1 pm, Ram is here, right? And 1 pm, Shyam is here. After meeting of Mohan and Shyam, both Ram and Shyam interchange their speeds. It is given in the question that when this meeting happened, when meeting of Mohan and Shyam happened, then speeds of Ram and Shyam exchanged. Their speeds interchanged. At what time will Shyam now overtake Ram? So we have to find at what time will now Shyam overtake Ram. Shyam will overtake Ram because now speed has exchanged. Ram earlier has the greater speed. Now Ram's speed becomes Shyam's speed, so Shyam will overtake Ram. Now very logically think about it. This gap, this is the gap that has to be overcome. If Shyam has to overtake Ram, this gap has to be 0, right? Think about it. Ram and Shyam started simultaneously at 8 am. And this gap has created between them because they started simultaneously, and this gap has created between them in how much time? From 8 to 1. This gap has created in these hours from 8 to 1 pm. From 8 to 1 pm, that is in 5 hours. in 5 hours with speed of Ram and Shyam, it does not matter that their sum of speed is 100, that Mohan's speed is 40, whatever their speed is, with speed of Ram and Shyam, this gap has created in 5 hours. So when their speeds are exchanged, now it will took now Shyam will take another 5 hours to close this gap. So from 1 p.m. till next 5 hours, this gap will be 0 till here. He will overtake Ram at this point. So at after how much time? After 5 hours. After 5 hours. So 5 hours after 1 p.m. would be how much? 16. So at 6 p.m. Shyam will overtake Ram. So correct answer to this question would be option C. That is 6 p.m.